certain Sundays in November, when the weather bothers me, I empty drawers of other summers where my shadows used to be. And she is standing by the water as a smile begins to curl. And this or any other summer, she is something altogether different, never just an ordinary girl. And in the evenings on Long Island, when the colors start to fade, she wears a silly yellow hat that someone gave her when we stayed. I didn't think that she returned it. We left New York in a whirl, and time expands and then contracts when you are spinning in the grips of someone who is not an ordinary girl. When you sleep, you find your mother in the night. She stays just out of sight, so there isn't any sweetness in the dreaming. And when you wake, the morning showers you with light, and it makes you feel alright. But it's just the same hard candy you're remembering again. Send your lover off to China, then you wait for her to call. You put your girl up on a pedestal, then you wait for her to fall. I put my summers back in a letter, and I hide it from the world. Oh, regrets you can't forget, somehow pressed upon the picture in the face of such an ordinary girl. When you sleep, you find your mother in the night. She fades just out of sight, so there isn't any sweetness in the dreaming. And when you wake, the morning showers you with light, and it makes you feel alright. But it's just the same hard candy you're remembering again. Same hard candy you're remembering again. Go ask her to come around and see me after dark. Don't ask me to come around to see if there's a little spark. Go ask her to come around and see me after dark. Don't ask me to come around and wait to see if there's a spark. Go ask her to come around and meet me after dark. Don't ask me to come around, maybe see if there's a spark. Danke an alle Patreons, die das möglich machen, und danke fürs Zuhören. Servus.